Some cars are restored, others are reborn. The Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet, reimagined by Singer, belongs in the second category. Singer's latest services take inspiration from the wide-bodied, naturally aspirated Carrera Cabriolet of the 1980s and reinterpret it with modern engineering precision. Built on the Type 964 chassis, each car begins life as an owner-supplied Porsche 911 Cabriolet that is carefully disassembled to its steel monocoque. The chassis is cleaned, strengthened with composite and steel reinforcement, and prepared to deliver increased torsional rigidity. The result is a stronger foundation that improves handling, braking, and refinement without losing the soul of the original car. At the heart of the Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet, reimagined by Singer, sits a 4.0-liter, naturally aspirated flat-six developed with Cosworth. Drawing from lessons learned in the Dynamics and Lightweighting Study program, this engine features a revised 4-valve cylinder head, variable valve timing, water-cooled cylinder heads paired with air-cooled cylinders, and an electrically powered fan. Output stands at 420 horsepower, and the engine revs beyond 8,000 revolutions per minute. It is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission that sends power to the rear wheels, reinforcing the analog connection drivers crave. A newly developed titanium exhaust system sharpens the sound, especially with the roof lowered. The lightweight Z-pattern folding roof mechanism has been redesigned to reduce mass while maintaining a clean profile, whether raised or lowered. Carbon fiber bodywork inspired by turbo look cars of the 1980s widens the stance and reduces weight. Owners can choose between a fixed rear wing or a speed-activated wing, along with high-performance auxiliary driving lights that rise from the hood when needed. Suspension developed from Singer's turbocharged program supports the chassis, featuring 4-way adjustable dampers with electronic damping control and a nose lift system. Carbon ceramic brakes sit behind 18-inch center lock wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot sport tires. 5 selectable drive modes, including road, sport, track, off, and weather, allow drivers to tailor traction control and electronic stability control to conditions and skill level. Inside, the cabin blends craftsmanship with restraint. Hand-built gauges echo high watchmaking standards, while stitched and burnished leather seams elevate the atmosphere. Owners can select touring-oriented specifications in Pacific Blue with tangerine interiors, or more aggressive configurations in Guards Red with ink and interferenza cloth. Lightweight track seats or more comfort-focused options are available, along with navigation, phone connectivity, and air conditioning. Singer will limit the Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet, reimagined by Singer, to 75 commissions. Each example is developed through rigorous testing at facilities including Millbrook, Ideata, Nardo, and the Nürburgring, ensuring the car feels as composed at high speed as it does on a coastal drive. It is not just about performance numbers. It is about rediscovering the feeling that made the 911 an icon in the first place.